Alone, I know the supergrief that surges in my suffering heart, from bitter super love for my will, so firm and unmoving, has never torn me away from her whom it craved at first sight. And since away from her I am eager to speak, seeing her and loving so, I don't know what to say. I'm blind to seeing others, to hearing them I'm deaf. It's only her I see and hear, and behold, I'm not merely playing the prankster. I yearn for her more than my mouth ever says, though I go among mountains, valleys, and fields. Nowhere do I find all the virtues together. God chose to select them and set them in her. It is true that I've been to many good courts, but here with her I find much more to praise, measure and wit and other good ways. Beauty, youth, good deeds and pleasures, courtliness taught her and trained her. She has broken so well with displeasing demeanor, I think only good can be said about her. No joy she brought could seem brief or short, as I plead with her please to divine, for it won't be through me that she learns it, unless without words my heart opens. Never the wrong with the water that swells, it feels the rush of the current of love's lake in my heart. When I see her, to take joy with another seems false and illicit, for no other woman can equal her merit, since she rises above all the others if I don't make her mine. Oh, she bit me so badly, but my pain is pleasure and laughter and fun, since I'm thinking of her. I'm a glutton and greedy, oh God, will I ever take pleasure with her? I never took pleasure in tripping or turning, nor did anyone ever gladden my heart as this one does. Sneaking deceivers said nothing about her. I alone have this treasure. Do I say too much? No, if it doesn't disturb her. My beauty, by God, I'd lose speech and voice rather than say what would cause you displeasure. I beg that my song may not disturb you, for if you deign to accept the words and the tune of